You're all busy, important, wonderful people, so I'm going to get right to the point and tell you what you need to do. This right here is all you need. This is my system. I got 2 cups, a carafe, a thing of creamer, and a coffee pot. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I did a video on this a while ago, and I changed the recipe, so I figure it's only fair to give you another video. What I do is, the night before, make a pot of coffee. Wait a little bit till the coffee pot cools down, obviously, before you put it in the fridge. And then you go ahead, put this in the fridge. By morning, it's nice and cool. Okay, that's step 1. I'm not lost on the irony of trying to make cheaper coffee with using Dunkin' Donuts creamer, but that's what I got. So here's what I do. I fill up one of my cups. I just spilled a little bit here. That's okay. I'll take care of that, or the cat will. And then I add creamer. About that much. How I mix it up. I go back and forth in the cups like that. Mixes it up almost immediately. Then I kind of half and half the cups, and boom, coffee ready to go. I put one in the fridge for the drive to work, and one for mulling around the house in the morning. Works out absolutely perfectly. I used to drink that fancy gas station coffee like intravenously. I mean, way too much. I got to be saving myself at least $100 a month. I'm not even kidding. Dollar store, right? This is really good. Okay? Don't knock the dollar store till you try it. But yeah, this is dollar store creamer. And just between me and you, I think I like it better than this. I know, right?